Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your device supports eSIM and that it's unlocked for international carriers. Once done, buy a regional or global eSIM plan and save the QR or activation details. Providers may require your MA. Make sure you're on reliable Wi-Fi, then open Settings and choose Add Cellular Plan. Follow the scanner or manual entry to import the profile. This immediate step installs the digital SIM so you can configure lines and avoid last-minute. Now you configure how the eSIM behaves so it doesn't interrupt service. You should label the new plan as travel, set which line handles cellular data and which handles calls, and choose a default for iMessage or similar. If the carrier supplied an APN, enter it under cellular settings. If not, enable data roaming. Once configured, verify the plan's validity period, data cap, and auto-renew options in the provider app so you won't exceed limits or lose service mid-trip. Finish by testing the connection, toggle airplane mode or reboot, then confirm mobile data, SMS, and calls work. Make sure the travel plan is selected for data while keeping your home line for two-factor texts if needed. If you're done, remove the eSIM profile to avoid charges. If it doesn't connect, reset network settings or reinstall the profile first. If problems persist, contact the eSIM provider with MA and profile details. That troubleshooting step usually resolves handshake and APN issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.